In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a logo in Brevo. Whether you're new to Brevo or just need a refresher, this tutorial will help you integrate your brand's logo seamlessly into your campaigns, enhancing your marketing efforts with a professional touch. First, you'll want to head over to brevo.com. Open your web browser and type in the URL. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Brevo is designed to be user-friendly, so navigating through the site should be a breeze once you're logged in. Next, look for the Marketing tab. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your marketing campaigns. Click on Marketing, and then navigate to the Campaigns section. This area is essentially the control center for all your email marketing activities. From here, you can create, edit, and manage all your campaigns effortlessly. Once you're in the Campaigns section, you'll see a list of your existing campaigns. Find the specific campaign you want to add a logo to. When you've located it, look for the edit icon, which usually looks like a pencil or a small gear, and click on it. This will open up the campaign editor, where you can make changes to your campaign's design and content. After you're in the campaign editor, you'll see an option to Start Designing. Click on it to begin customizing your campaign. This is where you can really let your creative side loose and design your campaign to match your brand's aesthetic. When you're ready to choose a template, browse through the available options. Brevo offers a variety of templates to fit different styles and needs. Once you find one that suits your campaign, click Use Template. This will load the template into the editor, allowing you to start making it your own. Now comes the fun part, adding your logo. Look for the logo block in the editor's toolbox. Once you find it, simply drag and drop it into your template where you want your logo to appear. Positioning your logo correctly can make a big difference in how your email is perceived, so take a moment to ensure it's in the right spot. Finally, it's time to upload your logo. Click on the logo block you just added, and you'll see an option to upload an image. Select your logo file from your computer and upload it to Brevo. Make sure your logo is in a suitable format, like PNG or JPEG, to ensure the best quality. Once uploaded, your logo should appear in your email template, enhancing your brand's visibility and giving your campaign a polished look. And there you have it. You've successfully added a logo to your Brevo campaign. This simple addition can significantly enhance your brand's presence in your email marketing efforts. With Brevo's intuitive interface, customizing your campaigns to reflect your unique brand identity is both straightforward and efficient. So, take a moment to preview your campaign before sending it out, ensuring everything looks just right. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.